there. Want to see something cool? Every day we use AI to generate what we call virtual human talking videos in less than 60 seconds with zero experience. In return, we make money like this, and this, and this. All without us being on camera, recording, or editing anything, and most importantly, without paying anything up front. You see, we all know that videos work. It's the most consumed content type online, and you can leverage it to make 5, 6, 7 figures monthly. People spend hours daily watching videos, but here's where most of you get it wrong. Many apps and courses teach you to generate lame slideshow videos and promise you that it works, and you just need to be consistent to see results. I'm sure you know by now that all of that is BS. In reality, you need winning videos proven to dominate and crush any platform, be that Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or even Facebook. We call those videos virtual human talking videos, and it's all the rage right now. You see, before AI, we had to hire video editors to make those videos for us, and although we were making good money, it was tiring and very expensive. Each video cost us around $600 to $1,000 to make, and it took anywhere from 5 to 7 days to finish. So you can imagine how limited we were. But all of that changed once we started using AI. Now we can generate dozens of those videos in seconds without hiring anyone, without paying anything up front, without learning how to edit or animate anything. All we do is simply enter any photo, keyword, URL, article, text, or even a blog, and within seconds, our AI engine will take that input, generate a video script for it, create a human-like voiceover for it, and animate it for us, without us lifting a finger. But that's not the cool part. The cool part is our AI engine also helps us generate hundreds of thousands of views for each video we generate, regardless of which platform we posted it on. And if you're thinking those are just views, think again, my friend, because with the help of AI, once again, we turn those views into hundreds of dollars every day without us paying a penny in ads. Here's the best part. Talkie AI Pro doesn't require any previous experience or technical setup. In fact, all it takes to get started with Talkie AI Pro is 60 seconds. Yes, just 1 minute, and you'll be on your way to generating thousands of clicks and followers from any social platform with the help of virtual human talking videos. Here we generated a new video with Talkie AI Pro and posted it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And within 6 hours, we got 245,456 views. Not only that, but those clicks converted into a massive payday for us. And all of that happened by creating our video in less than 1 minute, without editing or recording any videos, and without paying a penny in ads. That's the power of Talkie AI Pro, my friend. And today, you can have the same power as us and replicate our success. Hi, my name is Shay, and on behalf of my team, we're happy to introduce to you Talkie AI Pro. I'm sure by now you're wondering, how much is this going to cost me? If we decided to charge you a fair price for Talkie AI Pro, it'd be at least $997 per month. And even at this price, it's still a no-brainer. On average, our users made that money back in just a couple of days. But here's the thing. $997 a month is a big commitment, especially for someone who's just getting started. And the whole purpose of creating Talkie AI Pro is to make it accessible to the people who need it the most. So with that in mind, for a limited time only, I'm willing to give you full access to Talkie AI Pro for a fraction of the price, less than the price of a cheap dinner. Which is enough for me to cover the cost of the servers running Talkie AI Pro, but you must be quick. There's no point in selling Talkie AI Pro if it doesn't produce the results we promise, and in order to do that, we put in a lot of support for each new member. The good news is we take each new member by hand until they get results. The bad news is we can't do that for unlimited people. After all, we're humans too, so after we hit our limit, we're raising the price again to $997 per month. After that, there's no going back. So if you can still see the buy button below, don't wait. You might not get this chance ever again. And in the unlikely event that you fail to use Talkie AI Pro for any reason, we insist that you send us an email. It's simple. If you don't make money, we don't want your money. We'll refund every penny you paid within 24 hours. Worst case scenario, you get Talkie AI Pro and don't make any money. You get all your money back, no questions. Click the button below and get instant access to Talkie AI